Guys, magano na kami. Change. Papalit ng oil sight glass. Tapos ng palit niyan, ilalagay na kami ng langis. Babalik namin. Yun, oh. Yung supervisor namin. Supervisor yan. Yun, pinatanggal. Yun. Yun, pinatanggal niya.
Can you give me the side? Can you open this one? Yes, open.
Ito yung papalit namin. Leak kasi yan, leak. Yan o. Yan, palitan namin yan. Ito, papalit. Okay, TK. So, still pressure ah. Oy, return.
Open.
Ito yung oil pump. Kapit dito yung mamaya hose. Still.
Little bit down, then we will change.
Guys, waiting kasi may pressure pa. Yun. Yun. Ito yung papalit. Oh. Pressure pa eh. Mamaya itong langis balik natin yan. Ito, busy yung supervisor namin, si supervisor, si Johnson Controls. Yan. Tanggalin ito mamaya. Okay. TK. Tanggal na. Oh. Tanggal na. Magstart na namin yan, guys. Magstart na yan. Balik na yan, tapos balik, leak test na namin mamaya kung may leak pa o wala. Yan. Wala na singaw, guys. Good job. Supervisor ko yung tatrabaho. Oh. Good job. TK?
Yes.
Oh. Yan na. We'll make like this or later? Later. When we put
Because there is only 2 psi pressure, so
so later when we charge again, it will run, then we'll take this. Okay, guys, okay na. TK?
yes.
Yan o. The best technician in Johnson Control. Hafiz Ali. Yan. Okay na. Palitan na namin. Yan na. Okay. pa yan, sinukat pa yan. Ito, friends. How much?
We will make here almost 20.
20. Yun, the best technician. Tortils pa yan, di basta-basta na higpit. Kailangan sinusukat pa namin yan para hindi basta-basta masira yung o-ring. Okay?